Sponge toffee is a sugar confection that is fun and easy to make at home. By adding a little baking soda to a sugar cooked to the caramel stage, a volatile chemical reaction takes place. The sugar rapidly expands with air bubbles being trapped as the sugar cools down quickly and hardens. Boiling sugar can be dangerous, so when you start cooking 100 grams of sugar in a sauce pot, have a bowl of ice water handy just in case the boiling sugar gets on your fingers. Add a few tablespoons of water to the pot to help melt the sugar, and add a splash of vanilla extract for flavor. Also have ready a teaspoon of baking soda, a small whisk, and a sheet pan with a piece of parchment paper on top to catch the sponge toffee as it is bubbling out of the pot. Then cook the sugar to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 149 degrees Celsius without stirring. Instead, gently swirl the pan to help distribute the heat. As soon as the sugar reaches temperature, or just before the hard crack stage, add the baking soda and whisk in with only 3 or 4 strokes, and immediately dump the sponge toffee onto parchment and allow to cool completely. When cool, the sponge toffee is easy to break apart with your fingers into bite-sized, light and airy pieces of candy that melt in your mouth. You can also dip the pieces in chocolate like the famous Crunchy Bar. Stored in an airtight container away from the heat, the candy is good for a few weeks.